Yes.
Latanya, good to see you. Dr. Blumenthal back with you, Natural Transplants here in the Bethesda office. And wow, Latanya, you look incredible. You look like a different person.
I know, thank you.
Not only is the hair come back, but obviously a different look that we sort of just talked about offline. Congratulations. First of all, tell me about it. How'd it go? The good, the bad? How'd the year go?
Everything, it's been good. It's been good. Let's see. I've been very happy with my new look.
Yeah.
It's totally different.
Yes, it is.
It's something I wanted to do for a long time, but it was not possible before. So,
yeah.
And unfortunately, it's not freshly done.
It's
but
okay.
You, get what I'm going
you
for.
know, like what we said, this is real life. I sort of caught you by surprise here, and this is what we like. This is real. This is you doing your daily thing. So this is awesome. Yeah.
Yeah.
And like you said, you couldn't have done this before. You didn't have the hair to do it. You couldn't keep it short. You know, you couldn't color it the way you wanted to. This is you living your life the way you want to live it.
Exactly.
This is awesome.
I could not have cut it this short because there would have been nothing here
Right.
and nothing there.
Right.
So, and since you did my hair, I've done so many things, and I like cried one time because I over processed it and it fell out, and I was like, oh my gosh, he's gonna kill me. And so I had to start over, but
Okay.
I wanted it short anyway. But I damaged it, but it grew right back.
It grew back, yeah. I know where you live, so I will find you if you do that again.
Yes,
that's all. How has it improved your daily life? You said obviously you're wearing your hair this way. You're kind of doing what you want, giving you the confidence that you were sort of lacking before. Yeah.
Yeah. When I go places, like I don't worry about. Before I would like try and comb it down and cover up and be like, oh, the wind blows, or if I went swimming, I look back at all my vacation pictures, and I had a scarf or some tied on my head, like in the swimming pools.
Yeah.
Just in case it got wet, you wouldn't see it. I was like, never again.
I love that.
Goodness.
Oh, I love that. That's fantastic.
Yes.
Well, I know your kid. You're about to pick your kids up from camp, so I don't want to hold you too late. But what I'm going to have you do, if you don't mind, is just sort of put your head down and hold it there for about 1 or 2 seconds. Yep.
Okay, is that enough?
It's a little too low. Pull it back up a little bit. Yeah, just like that. And then look, and then pick a side, either left or right, and then hold your and then other way. And then, like I said, we're going to put the before pictures up there as well too, so we'll just sort of combine it. Tanya, my goodness, oh my gosh, it looks fantastic. Congratulations!
Yes, thank you so much.
Oh, thank you.
So awesome.
Thank you for doing this.
You changed my life with this hair. That was just such a burden for so many years. I am so happy. I finally did.
That makes me smile, and I'm honored to be part of your journey. I love it, and I'm so happy for you. Thank you so much, and have a great rest of your summer. Okay.
You too.
Right.
Thank you so much.
Take care. All right. Bye bye.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.